Well, Purva, currently, if you see, the health ministry has clearly said that in 22 new districts, 12 states are there where no fresh cases have been reported. And uh, in this, it has also been said by the health ministry that currently we are seeing a positive trend in the recovery rate, which is there in India. Because if you see 1 week ago, the recovery rate was somewhere around 7 to 8%. And today morning, when the cases number have gone past 15,000, and currently we are seeing deaths over 500. The recovery rate in India now is somewhere around 14%. It is actually 14.2%. So the not just the we have seen the numbers going up, but also the people getting discharged from the hospitals are also going up. And this significant development has just not happened at the national level. We have seen several states doing well in the recovery. As if you go through the numbers of Kerala, more than 60% of people have been discharged. In Tamil Nadu, more than 20% of people have been discharged, and there are certain other states in the country where we have
Okay.
seen the national percentage. Their national percentage is better than the national percentage. So currently, the positive trend is that with the rising numbers, we are also witnessing a steady rise in the number of people getting discharged from the hospital after getting cured by the COVID-19.
Absolutely, but also Ayushman, let's also quickly talk about the testing kits which have arrived. You know, it was much awaited after much delay. We have seen the rapid testing kits that have arrived in India. What is the status of the testing? Has that been increased there as well?
Well, Apurva, first of all, ICMR has clarified that the rapid testing kits, which will be used in the coming days, it is only for the surveillance process. But the gold line or the front line test of COVID-19 will be RT-PCR. That means the number which we are seeing right now on our screens, these numbers will go up only once it is confirmed from the RT-PCR, because rapid action kits are only for the surveillance process. We will definitely see the number go up in coming days, because the containment zones, the buffer zones, all those people who are suffering from influenza-like illness and severe acute respiratory infections, they'll be first tested by the rapid kits. And if a test result comes positive or even negative, the RT-PCR will be conducted so as to ascertain what has happened to that patient. So definitely the number is going to go up. We also know that the laboratories network of ICMR and the private has gone up. The ICMR has given new permission to many new laboratories. So definitely the testing net has been increased all
Okay.
across the country. So we will see the numbers going up. But the positive aspect in all of this is that with every passing day, we are also seeing an improvement in the recovery rate, which is a very good signal. The death rate is somewhere around 3.5 to 3.3 to 3.5, but the recovery rate is has crossed the 14% approval.